Copenhagen food tour is very good, but it essentially brought me around a lot of the same areas from other tours in Copenhagen because the city is so walkable. It was still great, however, to get a taste of the Danish food scene from a local. Tour started at the statue of Karen Blixen, famous in Denmark for writing the memoir Out of Africa, which became a movie starring Meryl Streep. Our first stop as a group was at a beautiful restaurant across from the Royal Opera House. We ate some beautiful Smorebread with great selections, as you can see. Our second stop brought us to a porridge cafe, which has become a trendy experience in Copenhagen and is definitely unique to the city. The porridge I had tasted like the curry and was delicious. We also tried an authentic Copenhagen hot dog on the street, which was nice, but personally Irish sausages do it for me much more. Finally, we went to a delicious bakery where we ate authentic Danish pastries. This was the icing on the cake. For anyone new to Copenhagen, I would recommend this tour, but just be aware that most other city tours will probably end up bringing you to similar areas, so I would choose my tours selectively. The Copenhagen food tour cost me the equivalent of €129, and it is highly recommended.